Hello everyone, welcome back to our Scratch Junior course. In the previous video, we learned about the Scratch Junior screen. Today, we are going to make our character tick move for the first time. By the end of this video, you will be able to move your character using coding blocks. Let's start. Now, open Scratch Junior. You will see a character named Tick on the screen. So this is our default character. Make sure tick is selected before doing the program. Now look at the blue color blocks. These are called motion blocks. They help the character move. We will use the move right block. Now go to yellow blocks, take start block, that is green flag, drag it into the script area. Now connect start block and move right block. Just drag and join them like a puzzle pieces. Now tap the green flag. See, tick is moving. You just wrote your first program. Congrats. Now try adding more blocks. Add 2 or 3 move blocks. See how far tick is going. And then you can also try move left, move up, move down. Great job. After that you can click on green color flag either in the blocks or up we have green color flag next to the under block. There we can click. Yeah, great job. Today we learned how to move tick in the Scratch Junior. In the next video we will learn how to make tick turn and jump. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next class as well as next video. Until that, you can try your own programs or your own animation by taking the different blocks, move right or move left, move up, down, like that you can try. Keep practicing, keep smiling. Okay then, bye bye. See you in the next video.